Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvir. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can update your Honor 8X to Android 10. Yes guys, Android 10. So guys, before starting this video I want to say that please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, at first you have to install an app from Play Store called firmware finder. firmware finder firmware finder firmware finder Yeah, first one, you can see firmware finder for Huawei. You have to install it. So I have already installed and I'm not gonna install it again. I'm opening this app from here. You install and then open it. Sorry guys. Then you have to select your device model. I'm selecting my device model, JSN. You can see here, from here, JSN L22. JSN L22. Here you can see JSN L22. Close the ads, then scroll down and find the February 19th update. February 19th update. Here you can see February 19th. Yeah, EMUI 10 is designed for further streamline and enhance the quality of the user's experience. You can see there's the Android 10. That's the Android 10 EMUI version 10. So guys, you have to install this, the update of February 19. Okay, check this change logs and then check the firmware access. Check the firmware access. You can see that's approved for my device. Then you have to click get an update by eRecovery. So guys, I'm not gonna show you how to update through eRecovery because I have already uploaded a video how to update through eRecovery. So guys, check the description and watch the video how to update through eRecovery. So guys, that's all. Enjoy the Android 10. So if you guys find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get the notification of recent uploads. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us.